The CRPF contingent led by Inspector Rakhe, taking the salute now is the District Executive Force led by ADSI Hamitam Dakhar. Taking the salute now is Sikkim Police led by SI Full Sharing Lecture. Taking the salute now is the 1st MLP Battalion led by ADSI Jimbad Salma. Approaching the saluting guys, and to take the salute now is the Assam. Contingent led by Senior Under Officer Sarita Salma. Approaching the saluting guides, and to take the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides contingent. The saluting guides, and to take the salute now is the only school contingent of this year's Republic Day Parade, Sacred Heart High Secondary School, led by Ilaksara Omni.
Its aim is to reduce consequences of drug abuse and includes awareness generation programs in various schools and colleges with the aim to build capacity. The District Learners and Industry Centre Shillong presents you a tableau of the newly launched central sector scheme called PM Vishwakarma. The scheme was launched on 17 September 2023 by our Honorable Prime Minister, Jylla, selfish and even plants. Aquaculture contributes to human food fish demand, poverty alleviation, and rural development. It is the fastest emerging food production segment in the world. The